How to enter promo codes in Roblox on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem promo codes in Roblox using your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and here make sure that you are logged in with your account. And now once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and here once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the more menu section. From here, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as help and safety. So simply tap on it, and now here on the new page, simply tap on help. Now here, once you are on the help page, simply tap on the search our article text box and simply search for redeem. And now here, once you search for it, if you scroll down, you can see something like how to redeem and send your gift card. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply tap on the website link that says roblox.com/redeem. So while you might tap on it directly, sometimes it won't open in app. In that case, you can simply go back and open the Chrome app. And now here, once you're inside the Chrome, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for roblox.com/redeem. And here, if you are not logged in, make sure to sign in with your Roblox account, and after that you will be able to enter your promo code, virtual item code and gift card code right from the browser version. So here you can simply tap on the code option and simply tap your code, and after that you can simply tap on redeem to redeem your gift card. And that's it. That's how you can access the promo code page on mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.